Good morning, internet friends. I thought I would check in and say hello for the day. Today's agenda is hopefully going to be some thrifting and some hanging out with the parents. I am kind of in this like weird limbo phase right now where we're leaving for vacation in a few days and I'm gonna be closing my store for 2 weeks, 2 whole weeks, which is crazy to me. I did this same thing last year and it feels so strange. It feels so incredibly strange to have my store closed for that long. Because of that, I'm just in this weird spot where knowing that I have to close my store, I don't really want to like overdo it with searching for clothes, but I still am this addicted to thrift stores that I'm probably just gonna go casually. I feel like it's kind of fun just to go roam around a thrift store and see if I can find any like last minute vacation wear. Also, just a little bit of an update just to say hi, check in and just see how you guys are doing. I know I haven't been filming too much lately, mainly because I was prepping for vacation. I just knew this was like coming up quickly. And I just wanted to make sure I had all my ducks in a row and was like very prepared for this vacation as far as my business goes. So there was that aspect. But I also had some more weird health stuff come up that just really stopped and made me pause for a little bit. Last February, I broke out in a full body rash and had to go on prednisone, and it was just this whole thing. And the same thing just recently happened. So I'm back on prednisone, so I'm taking steroids, and as soon as I get back from vacation, I'm going to go into like a full doctor mode where I'm getting allergy tests done, just going through the motion and seeing what's going on. Like clearly my body is reacting to something. So it's been a little stressful, but it's also something that has always been in the back of my mind that I want to get it taken care of and I want to see what is going on. Yeah, it's just kind of been a thing. Like it's been a process. My skin is like healing, like it's going through this whole thing. Where it just erupted and it was very inflamed. I felt like a lobster, like everything was stretching on my body. So I will put pictures on the screen, but just be forewarned if, trigger warning, kind of gross. I don't know if you can hear the dogs barking, but they are going crazy right now. So that is always my sign to stop talking and get going.
Come on, Ozzy, we gotta go home. It's time to go home. Come on, Ozzy. It's the only way we're gonna get home. Hello. Okay, so it's been a couple days and I totally forgot that Halloween spooky season is upon us, and normally Goodwill starts putting out all of their Halloween merchandise. The game plan is to do a couple last minute stops into Goodwill and probably Savers too, and see what the Halloween merchandise is looking like. The other day when I was at Deseret, it was like they were starting to put it out, so I could feel the vibes starting, but now I think it's all in full force, and I am so excited because this is always like that secret time that you can find really good vintage mixed in with the Halloween merchandise. So I'm here for all of that. Fingers crossed they have some good stuff and I can find some last minute scores. I did not find very much at Goodwill, so now I am at Savers, and I don't know if they have their Halloween stuff set up just yet, so I'm kind of hoping that they do, but last time I was in there, they had the racks set up, but not the actual stuff. It's like I'm missing it by a week. Oh wait, no! Okay, I am officially in my least favorite part of travel, and that is packing. Trying to figure out what the heck I'm gonna bring with me. So far, I have gathered everything that I potentially want to take, and then I think I'm just going to start slowly eliminating pieces that I just need to try and convince myself I'm probably not gonna wear that while I'm in Florida. I have a pretty solid collection of summer dresses, so I think I'm gonna bring quite a few pieces. I also have jumped on the band t-shirt bandwagon train. I wasn't really into band tees, but I found a handful of them recently at the thrift store, so I am definitely taking those with me. So I am pretty stoked for just like leggings, like short leggings with a little phone pocket and t-shirts. I am just going basic, but it's also just so hot and sweaty in Florida that that's just kind of the style that I'm going for. I also will be bringing a handful of dresses with me just because I will be on a cruise for 3 days, but I don't really feel like, I don't know, cruise etiquette just isn't the same anymore. Like, it's not really something that you have to dress up for like dinner or anything like that, but I do kind of feel like I want to have the opportunity to get dressed up. So I'm thinking, you know, maybe like a couple cute dresses to tag along with me, just in case, just in case. Kind of get the feeling though, I probably won't be rocking the dresses. Okay, so I'm gonna get to packing. I think I'm gonna leave the vlog here. I did pick up some pretty epic thrift finds that a couple pieces I'm going to take with me, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I kind of feel like, you know, I need to get packing, I need to do all these like odds and ends, and it's just gonna get more and more chaotic. So yeah, when I see you guys next time, I will be heading to Florida. So thank you so much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys probably on travel day. Bye.